again, important for us because we can't just focus on the front end. All the wireframing and the prototyping, all that would give you is the front end aspect, the user interface aspect of it, the presentation. Whereas the back end of it, application, for example, that's what we were talking about, 3 layers, right? So we've got front end, there's a middleware, the service layer, the application logic, and then the back end, which is basically the data layer, the data, all processing, data storing, data cleansing, processing of the data, creating analytics, all of that is part of that. So ETL, for example, extraction, transformation, and loading. So that's something which you hear as the ITBAs, you can keep hearing that. So, and then you can create from, once you've got the analytics there, once you extracted the data, you transformed and processed the data, and then you created some kind of analytics, you create a report and you share it with the right people. So it could be in the form of a diagram, set of diagrams. It could be in the form of pie charts and all those different graphs and charts. So again, we can use it in multiple contexts, and we're going to have a deeper discussion on this in the next few sessions, where we'll take how to create a data model and how to actually do the cleansing, what is filtering, how to apply the different kind of dimensions that to the product, to the particular data set of data, how to do the cubing in terms of slicing and dicing the data, rows and columns and stuff like that. So it's all important. So you need to be able to understand these as BA. So again, we don't have to have the in-depth knowledge. That's what we're not trying to set up here. We are trying to actually say that we should be tech savvy. We should not be technically minded, but we should be knowing the stuff about what we're talking about. So, and data science, data is one of the important things that has come through right now in most of the organizations. So we as BAs must be appreciative of that angle.